Datuk Gong is the local guardian spirit worshipped in Malaysia, Singapore, and parts of Indonesia, especially Sumatra. The term Datuk Gong unites Datuk from the Malay language for grandfather, which is also used as an honorific title, and Gong from the Chinese language, which is an honorific title. According to local legends, Datuk Gong was once a human who had a standing in society either for his position or special attributes. He could have been an important leader, a renowned healer, a Silat warrior, a pious man, or even a shaman. Upon his death, the locals and their followers offered prayers at their gravestones. Slowly, the worship of Datuk Gong appeared. Prior to the arrival of conservative Islam, the Malays worshipped the guardian spirits or penunggu, which is believed to reside in different natural formations, such as a unique shaped rock, an ant hill, a snake's nest, and an extraordinarily large tree. With the arrival of the Chinese immigrants, who carried along with them the worship of Tu Di Gong, both practices converged and formed the new microculture we observe today. Datuk Gong is considered by the Chinese immigrants a localized form of Tu Di Gong, or the spirit of the land. The basic offerings for Datuk Gong are a pair of white candles, 3 joysticks, and burning gum Benjamin. The birthday of Datuk Gong is celebrated by worshippers with a grand feast, kenduri. Worshippers usually slaughter chickens and sometimes goats as the main dish of the feast. It is extremely important for all the food to be halal. The slaughtering method must also follow the Islamic practices. Pork is considered unclean and therefore is totally forbidden in a shrine. The meat is later cooked into a curry and offered to Datuk Gong together with turmeric rice. The Chinese belief is lax and inclusive. In other words, a new tradition can be adopted easily by the Chinese community as long as they believe that the new tradition will bring them prosperity and well-being. Besides, the worship of Datuk Gong is a product of interaction between the cultures of Malay and Chinese. It is hoped that everyone in the country will cherish the multiculturalism and the harmonious relations between races in Malaysia.